What's going on?
You left me to dangerous.
It's not me.
You left me
It's
to
not me.
dangerous.
Much like the other evening when your motorcycle's outside and it's the person who owns responsibility to put the motorcycle home and back in its bed.
You pushed it outside. And people on Instagram poll agreed that I was in the right there, that because you had put the bike outside, you were the one to bring the bike back in.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome to the domestics of 2026.
Yes. Happy New Year. And
Happy New Year.
we have a situation because we are supposed to be going on a ride on Saturday.
Yes,
aren't
that
we?
I planned.
Yes. However,
You left me to dangerous and didn't MOT my bike.
it's the responsibility of the owner of the vehicle to ensure that it is roadworthy and has all the appropriate paperwork. Does your motorcycle have the appropriate paperwork?
No. But in a defences, I've not done this before.
You have not done this before. So you sent a New Year's Eve
Email that was like, please
aid, please help.
Mr. MOT man.
So Emily's called in one of my favours. I don't think I've got any actually. I don't have any stock there. He just helps me. And he's kindly said that he'll open the day after New Year's Day
Which is tomorrow.
to do an MOT amidst a snow warning. It's only a yellow one, though, isn't it?
It was a yellow warning today as well, and we've had no snow today.
Is it like yellow warning is a grading for snow, or is it yellow snow warning?
I hope it's not yellow snow warning.
Who knows? But yes, so we need to check your bike and make
do?
sure. I think it's okay, but
Because what you normally do is you normally rock up and then just deal with the aftermath.
Yeah.
Whereas because I want to go out on Saturday, I'm trying to prevent there being any advisories
Yes.
where possible and prevent a fail.
yes. So we're going to go through it, and you're going to go through the list. So we have the list from the MOT authority, is it DVSA, I think? So we have their list of what the MOT checklist is.
Yeah,
And you're going to work through that
I am.
and see whether your bike actually
I am
has a chance of passing.
filling up my experience bucket.
You are. That is true.
Like my learning bucket.
Should you have a look at your list?
Yeah.
Sitting on the bike.
Sitting on the bike, pulling. This works.
Yep.
Doesn't move. It's not moving round the bike. This clicks. This clicks. This clicks.
Yep.
This one clicks. This one clicks. These click. This wiggles a bit, but I think that's okay. Says the person that's ever done this. I think that's fine. This clicks. No longer moves around. None of this moves anymore because we fixed that last week.
And your brake lever's free of your switches, is it?
Yeah, free.
And-
That's
and-
got a gap down there.
When you twist your throttle, nothing moves.
No. No. Two hands hanging off and it's fine. These work. They're where they're supposed to be. I can see behind me now. No janky mirrors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then the other thing says do a steering test. So you want to move your bike back a touch.
This is your life, isn't it? You give the instruction, but I'm already doing the thing.
Right. And then you want to slowly turn from lock to lock and feel for any grinding or notchiness. Does it stick in any positions?
No. No
Any of your
sticky.
cables binding?
No. I've got lots of room in all these cables.
Yep.
Yeah. And my handlebars don't move, because that was another one of the ones,
Yeah.
wasn't it?
So try it with your brake. You're not moving the whole bike.
Pardon?
Pull your front brake on and now bump your handlebars forward and back.
That doesn't move.
I want everybody to remember that because I don't think Aid will look like that when he does it tomorrow. Okay, so then you want to bump test it. So if you go back a touch,
The cupboard's there though, isn't it?
yeah, and then just roll forward and pull the front brake.
Yes, and that's good front suspension there as well.
Nice and free.
Yeah.
No sticking.
I don't think I'm sticking.
Okay, and bump test for the
What's
rear.
swishing? Oh, it's me a little bit of fuel that's
Yes,
left.
that slosh of fuel. Okay, so front brake on. Bump test the rear suspension.
What, like jump up and down?
Yeah.
It's like, you know what this is like?
Buckaroo.
No, them things you get at the kids' play parks on the springs. I think this is fine.
Okay, is it?
Yeah,
Okay,
front and back.
so
What about back brake, like the foot brake? Do I have to do that one? I think I've gone off of grid, off the list.
yeah, you're well
now.
off course, but
But I read the list.
yeah,
I'm
let's do a
still-
function check of everything that's operational now. So we'll do all the switches and stuff, even though they're in front and rear sections. We can do that now. Make sure that's all working,
Yeah.
and then we'll just go through and do a
Check
overcheck.
because you have to check the foot pegs and stuff are all
Yeah.
on and good. So hang on, do I have to check my back brake and then rock it backwards and forwards? Oh, that's better than the front brake. See, this is why I didn't notice I had no front brake, because look how good that one is. Then my foot wasn't on the floor that side then.
This is going so well. Right, put your bike on its side stand, and then we'll put the ignition on. Because one of the first things you have to check there.
Oh, my lights are coming on, look.
So check your horn.
Hang on.
He works. Okay, indicators. You got one
On the back one.
there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one's going. That one's going.
Is he definitely
Yeah,
going?
he's going. I can see him.
Okay. Brake light. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Passing light.
What?
Passing light. Yeah.
And the light works. But I have just thought, I'm busy tomorrow. I have got time to take it to the MOT, and I'd like to meet Aid. But we just heard that little slosh over here, didn't we just? So I think it'd be a really good idea, because you're nipping out in the morning anyway. On your way back from your little trip tomorrow, you could take a jerry can. Because then as soon as I'm available, we've got like a half an hour window, haven't we, between me finishing being busy and the MOT, and it's a 15-minute ride, so I really don't feel like there's a stress capacity there to put fuel in myself.
How many times have you put fuel in this motorcycle?
I don't think that's an appropriate question for right now.
So you want me to take the jerry can, which is
That one there,
which is just
that little red
here.
one there.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, or you know, you do have one that says mine on it, which is, you could also take that one, either or.
Okay.
Yeah, but I
Get
think
a bit of fuel just to get to the MOT. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
that'd be nice.
Such a con artist. Right. We also need to check for broken spokes. Check the discs. Make sure your pads are good. So if on the bench over there is a torch, we'd have a good look around.
Okay.
It's a nice bike, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a very good potato.
It's the only one that works in our house.
Reliable.
How this video was supposed to be, was it?
No.
keen-eyed of you will notice our cameras are very close and getting the same shot.
That's because we are very close. Some are closer than others.
Yep. So we're back pillion on the mash.
We're not happy about it.
We're not happy about it. So the mash decided didn't want to start, but then did. And then the driver said, no, it's too cold to go out today. And the Harley, we're not talking to that like, but we're out and about.
Yeah, boot and a boot.
On a happy mash.
Going to get an MOT. It's going to pass with flying colours. It's going to start when he presses the button. Because I've never been to the MOT place, so I'm going to meet Aid.
You are. Who was very kindly opened the day after New Year's Day.
Just for us.
Just, yes. You got any guesses for advisories if you're going to get any? Or are you going in full optimism?
Full optimism. This bike's brilliant. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get a second MOT, I think, in the summertime.
Oh, is this not being a regular activity?
I've assessed the situation.
And this is not for you?
No.
That's right, because you get to wash it when we get back, look.
I can't, I've got to go food shopping to cook for Biker Buddy. And I need some doggo treats for Buddy. That's snow, that's frost and snow.
It is. So,
kind of glad we're 2 up now. I was grizzling about it when we left the house. But I'm not sure I have the skills for this.
I wouldn't have come down this lane. The 2 of us. On separate places. That's it.
Oh, he is grumpy.
Pass or fail, what do you think?
I think it's passed because he's just been saying how nice of a bike it is, and everyone knows that the nicer your bike, the easier the MOT.
Still testing though. Tools out now.
See, mate's just having a go at the bike's that good.
I think they're just a headlock.
Hey, my headlight's fine. It's an improvement on what it was. But I bought it with what was there originally. I would not be passing.
Find out. See if you got an advisor.
Scrunching your face like that.
Well, at least your bike got here.
Oh yes, this time I did. Although, I need to reassess my shoe situation. My feet are cold.
The Triumph didn't start. Harley didn't start.
Tantrum
Tried
brewing.
not to start. Yeah, they've started up like 3 times now. Without issue, so.
See, I think it is like you say though, I moved it, but I moved it all of like a metre earlier.
Why did you do that?
Because it was like, you put it by the alley and all the other stuff and it was all squashed in and I just needed to go
It's my
it's your fault.
Right, okay. Well, let's go see if you get a pass. It ain't built for 2 up, is it?
No.
Watch out for the icy bits.
Yeah.
Yes.
Take care, Aid.
Take care.
Ice there, look.
Oh, he's really nice.
Ice all here, look.
Yeah, watch out for them bits.
Aid is wonderful.
He's so nice.
But yeah, you go. You got an MOT.
Got an MOT. Flying colours. No advisory for me.
And you've agreed with Aid to take it back in the summer
In the warm, yes.
and get your date moved.
Yep. Ooh.
Yeah, it's not fun doing this in this weather, is it?
No. And it's making me wonder whether tomorrow's going to be... This looks a bit dusty on the floor here. Careful, careful, careful. I don't think we should go tomorrow. I'm changing my mind. And I feel like we need to make a decision this evening because it's not fair to make a decision at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Let me have another look at the weather.
Oh my god, he's a bit close.
He didn't need to be driving down there like that.
No, he didn't need to be that close. Oh, there's the grumpy man.
You got bike washing to do when you get back.
I'm not washing it.
You need to wash this off.
No.
You can't park it up with the salt all on it.
Why?
That's how things get corroded and damaged.
I've got to go food shopping.
Just not
You want
the
me to
point.
feed Lee?
That's still not the principal point, is it?
Right, well, it'll have to get washed in the dark.
Well, on that note, we have an MOT. We're going to go home, have a cup of tea,
Yeah, and a biscuit.
and then we'll take receipt of Biker Buddy and the monkey bike, and that'll be the subject of another video.
Yay!
Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and we will see you
Oh, I wouldn't subscribe. I don't know why anybody would watch this. It's cold.
in the next one.